Nollywood actress Biola Bayo has announced that she has separated from her husband, Oluwaseyi Akinride. She made the announcement on Instagram on Tuesday in a birthday post to him as she revealed that they've been separated for more than a year, confirming that the union, which started on April 7, 2021, ended in April 2024. The actress said the estranged couple have decided to co-parent their son maturely and peacefully. It's worth noting that the couple welcomed their first child through surrogacy in 2023. The actress, who is also the host of Talk to Be podcast, a platform she used to amplify the plight of struggling Nollywood actors and actresses and seek help for them, disclosed that despite bringing joy to others, she has been crying herself to sleep every night for the past 14 months. She wrote, "Happy birthday to my ex-husband and baby daddy. My husband and I have been separated since April last year, but we have decided to maturely and peacefully co-parent our dear son, who means everything to us." Biola therefore apologized to the public who may feel disappointed after what became of her marriage, saying, "I wish it worked, but it's better to stay alive." She urged everyone to keep our affairs in their prayers. Biola said she regained strength from Christ and urged fans to be kind to people, saying, "You have no idea what others are going through until they say it." While the reason for the separation remains undisclosed, we'll continue to keep a close eye on this story for more news updates. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.